Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, folks. Today we are going to be talking Voyager Token, but before we do, hit me up on Twitter at Real Six Fig. Excuse me, I don't even know my own Twitter handle. Thank you guys for 1,500 followers. Also, this is where I'm dropping upcoming videos, links to live streams, charts, things like that. Speaking of time-sensitive info, yesterday I dropped a video at 1:45 saying, hey, just FYI, there's an incoming price explosion. This was done at $3.95. A few hours later, we had the price explosion happen, 43% to the upside from that video. In addition to that, on November 17th, when Voyager was trading at $3.07, I said, hey, we've got an incoming price explosion happening. Watch out for $4.35. I got called every word in the book, I think. An hour later, folks, price ran up 47% to $4.52. So between these two last videos, we're up 90%. Not because of the two videos, but because we used those videos as early warning detection systems that price was about to explode. We saw the symmetrical triangles start flying. We saw the ascending triangle that formed here. It was all good. So congrats to all the holders of Voyager Token, because you guys have been in for one hell of a ride. I've got two theories going right now with Voyager. And one is that we are looking to move higher, and then the other is we might be looking to consolidate sideways. And this is kind of what's tripping me up right now. But I will say, now we know on this 4-hour chart where price is likely to kind of explode to the upside. This is just short-term, time-being stuff. But we can see that price likes to explode off the shoulder of the Ichimoku cloud. And I'm hoping that's what happens on November 26th once again. We can see that there might possibly be some Elliott wave theory to the upside here. Now, if that is the case, we might be seeing some sort of ABCDE or ABC retracement. We can see that during this last spike, we ended up getting an ABCDE retracement. We can see that off this last spike, we ended up getting an ABCDE retracement. That happened. So with the chance of history repeating itself, with the chance that this is 0.5 in an Elliott wave theory, we may be seeing price action pull an A, B, C, D, E retracement somewhere close to this shoulder. I'm thinking, not guaranteeing, this is just how it might possibly play out. So we've seen it happen a few other times, and if that does happen, well, we can see that price might go for a lovely ride. And this is all subject to change because we really don't have any red candles to measure the bottom off. So let's just do this. Let's see how far this came down. So we had a 25% retracement off the top, which would put us right about where I have it. So let's just assume we see another 25% retracement down to this candle here, which we kind of already saw. I do think that the 161.8 is on the table. $6.50 is going to be a huge number. The $6.05 is also going to be another huge number. And there could also be a chance that this could be 0.3 in Elliott wave theory, meaning that this little area down here was irrelevant and that we might be seeing something like this happen to the upside. Nobody knows until we know, but it's definitely looking like we may in fact see price action kind of squeeze sideways again, possibly in a bull flag symmetrical triangle pennant formation. So I'm liking it, okay? And I think that there's a chance, $7, $6.50. If I really had to zero this in, I would say give or take 50 cents around this 161.8. possibly in the next move up. Now, anything can happen. Obviously, TA is not 100% concrete, so please don't base your trades off of this. I'm just kind of throwing out ideas that I see. So with that said, I just wanted to talk about one other thing with Voyager, is that if we see this thing trade sideways on this daily chart closer to this shoulder of this cloud around December 12th, we may be fixing, and I want you guys to really look at this thing. Let me know if you guys notice any similarities here. So we have resistance at $5.88, somewhere in there. This could turn out to be an insane cup and handle or something like that. It would be awesome to see maybe price kind of move up into a ascending triangle into January. And this is, again, folks, all ideas. And I want to make that very, very clear to everyone. But we may be seeing something like this really kind of play out at a higher level. And we could kind of see where this might go to. You know, we might see some sort of ascending triangle or lows build up to this trend line. If that does happen, price is going to explode. No doubt about it. We're not even going to get into it with this video because I wanted to make this short and sweet, but I just wanted to say that we have seen the lows continue to get higher. I think Voyager is in good shape as long as Bitcoin is in good shape. And unfortunately, the total crypto market cap is in this rising wedge formation. So we really need to get one last burst of energy and blow the top off this rising wedge before things get really bad. I want to take a look at Bitcoin since we're on the subject. Bear with me. And we can see that Bitcoin is experiencing a little indecision. Yesterday's video, we're kind of talking about how we are looking out for a corrective wave to the downside to test this lower trend line, or is this going to be some sort of inverse head and shoulders that forms to go up even higher? This is why it's so important, to pay attention to Bitcoin, because we can have the greatest setup on Voyager and we will see Bitcoin screw us over. So with that said, that's all the TA I've got for you guys on Voyager. This is more of an update video, so big shout out to all the Patreons. Thank you all for supporting the channel. $3 a month will get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are at in the world, and go VGX Heroes.